Those just some of many big developments we are tracking for you tonight. And Katie, the governor making some important announcements.
That's for sure, Faye. The state is ramping up its response to COVID-19, including the decision to reopen St. Luke's Medical Center in Phoenix, freeing up more ICU beds if that is needed. ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw was at the governor's news conference for us today, and he joins us with a lot more. Zach, a lot of takeaways here.
There certainly were, Katie. As you can see behind me, the sign to the emergency room and hospital have been completely blacked out. I mean, St. Luke's hasn't been up and running since November, but in just 3 weeks, they could have 339 ICU beds inside, just in time for our state's predicted peak hospitalizations.
These beds will provide additional surge capacity for hospitals in Maricopa County.
If those beds are needed, additional doctors and nurses will be as well.
This includes any healthcare professionals who are currently retired but may be able to step in, volunteer, and help.
To make that return to work and the dangerous front lines more appealing, Governor Ducey issuing another executive order, providing liability protection to medical staff fighting COVID-19.
We'll further our efforts to recruit personnel to staff existing facilities, this facility, and other alternate care sites, and help us save Arizonans.
The majority of the hospital, though, will be staffed by a major healthcare provider. The state reviewing proposals this week.
We are working with the partners. We do have full confidence that it will be fully staffed.
State leaders also looking to set up medical facilities in Coconino and Pima counties. And after asking for the numbers for weeks, leaders promising more data this Sunday on the state's health department website. Specifically,
race and ethnicity information on confirmed cases, location information of confirmed cases by zip code, and the ages and gender of COVID-related deaths,
as well as the number of ICU beds available and in use by COVID-19 patients. Governor Ducey also watching the state budget numbers, which some experts predict could have $1 billion shortfall. But he doesn't appear to be too worried just yet.
There are no needed cuts in state government today. We have money in the bank.
Right now, dollars can wait. Arizonans are dying every day because of COVID-19, but state leaders optimistic Arizona is mitigating the pandemic.
We continue to see proof that Arizonans are practicing physical distancing.
Our hope is that we never have to use these beds.
Now, two other significant announcements today. As early as next month, Arizonans will be able to use food stamps to buy food online. Also, Arizona just got 15 new COVID-19 testing machines from the federal government. Now, those machines turn around testing results in just 15 minutes, and Dr. Christ says they will be spread out throughout the state and be used to test our most vulnerable. Live in Phoenix tonight, Zach Crenshaw, ABC 15, Arizona.